There are a few other things I'd like to bring to your attention with the Quanta Capsule. In the top right hand corner we have what's known as the navigation. If you go ahead and select the navigation, you have your import Genie Quanta, which we've gone through. We've got the clear list. If I click on the clear list, it's going to delete the items that we've loaded into the Quanta Capsule. To go ahead and illustrate this, clear list. Do I want to clear the items? Yes. And as you can see, the items have now disappeared. I'm just going to go ahead and reinstall them. Then we have something called import fractals. There's a lot of power with fractals, and please be sure to read the information that we've got contained within this module about the fractals, but you can go ahead and activate these fractals. Now these fractals as images contain a lot of powerful energy, and you can select any one of these, and these fractals are going to be playing in the background while it's actually playing the energetic balancing tone. So as you can see, I've selected them all. I'm going to go ahead and click on back. Let's add the items to the tray again. I'm going to go ahead and click on start. And as you will see, there will be a sort of moving animation shortly. This moving animation is actually going to be showing all the different fractals that are actually working in harmony. If you want to go ahead and suspend those fractals or stop those fractals from working, just go ahead in the top right hand corner, you click on import fractals again, and then you can just go ahead and click on clear. So again, I've got them highlighted, right? I'm going to go ahead and click on begin, click on start, and as you can see, we now have activated the fractals. So here we've got the fractals running in the background. If I want to stop the fractals from running, in the top left hand corner, I click on back. I then go to fractals, import fractals, and I click on clear. As you can see, they are no longer highlighted, so we can then move forward. Let's just quickly go back to the navigation. If you need to contact us, certainly reach out to us through your contact support feature. Again, if you have not activated your email within your device, in other words, if you access Gmail through your server, but not through the actual MacMail icon, this MacMail icon is the one down here on the bottom. As you can see, I've just selected that. It's got 163. That is known as your Mac email. You need to configure your Mac email account in order to be able to send and receive emails through our products and services. If you wish to change your password, we've obviously got the ability here, again through the navigation, top right hand corner, you've got your help function, which is a basic description of how the actual which is a basic description of essentially how the Quanta Capsule works, and then we've included 2 short tutorials here for you as well. Hope you've enjoyed these tutorials. Please take a moment, read through the information that we have contained about fractals. We hope that you enjoy it. There's a lot of power to fractals. I would personally suggest activating the fractals whenever you are using the Quanta Capsule. Thank you.